What's up, guys? So, as you know, as CEOs, our main question is what can we delete, what can we delegate, and what can we automate? So, in this video, I want to show you how to use the power of the Airtable automations so you can automate and get more things off your plate. So, this is a very basic one. We have all of our automations preloaded for our clients, but I'm going to get you into the rhythm of creating these things for automations natively internally inside of Airtable. So that's the power of this. They have data automations and interfaces, and we're going to go straight to automations and build our first one right now. So underneath tasks, we have different statuses right here of the top 3 things today. If you're not identifying your top 3 things every single day, you're shooting yourself in the foot and creating overwhelm for yourself. If you just chip away, done is better than perfect, and chip away at 3 things each day, then you will get far more done instead of being overwhelmed by a long list. But what I want to create today is the automatically overdue section right here. So we can create an internal automation, and I already have it on here, but I'll reduplicate it for you. So what this automation says is when a task boom, is before today and status is not complete, then move the task to overdue. Now, you can also set up a Slack notification for overdue tasks as well if you're using Slack with your team, which is really cool, or any of these other automations that are really cool inside of Airtable. You can also fill your Airtable with data like we do from Go High Level, Stripe, PayPal, that sort of stuff, over to Airtable to have better data visualization, all of that stuff. So let's go in here and create this automation from scratch. First thing that we want to do is go to the bottom and hit create automation and add trigger. And we're going to do when record matches conditions, but you can do things at a scheduled time. You can do things when record is created. There are so many cool automations that we give our clients. So inside of here, we want to go to the tasks table. When record matches conditions, go to tasks. And then this is going to be when the due date, and let's just check it real quick. When date is before today, boom. When date is before today, cool. And task is not, task status is not complete, then we want to make sure that the record is updated to overdue. And we're going to use the Airtable record ID. Boom. So we're going to hit add logic and update record right there. Cool. And then in here, we're going to move this, the table, to tasks. And then inside of here, we want to grab the Airtable record ID. And then here, what we want to do is status is overdue. Cool. And now we just created our first automation. We want to name it up here, X overdue tasks. Cool. We're going to save that there. I'm going to delete this automation from here so we can name this X overdue tasks. Sweet. So now we got the first automation. The second automation is boom, here, tasks is today is not complete. You can take a screenshot of that, and then that will create the tasks that are due today. And then overdue projects, and you can notify yourself or your team members inside of Slack with this one. Target date is on or after today, and status is not parking lot or complete. Then move it to an overdue task that this is overdue, right? So we're going to go into here now. We're going to go into tasks, and let's say this was marked off on the 17th. And if everything's set up right, boom, we have our overdue tasks. So they'll automatically show up there as overdue. So pretty cool. That is the basics of setting up automations natively inside of Airtable. What we also have, if we have a client that goes into at-risk status, then our success team is automatically notified with the SOP to follow up with that person properly. So there's so many native things that you can do inside of here and outside of here with Make, Zapier, all of that stuff. But this video is just to get you into the rhythm of doing it and setting up your first one. So hope that was helpful, and I'll see you in the next one.